About 5, maybe 6 years ago, I did an Oklahoma burger video, but it was not the primary video. Also did a beer mac and cheese in it. But today I'm focusing only on the Oklahoma fried onion burger. It is my favorite burger. I love these little burgers. They're so simple. They just got the fried onions. Some of them are still a little like sauteed in there. You got a mixture of textures going on, really. And then you got that smash burger, and oh man, it's just fantastic. The mustard, the pickles really makes it pop on a soft, white, squishy bun. I just absolutely love them. I can eat my weight in these things. I really can. But the history is very interesting. You can read things on it. All I know, whoever come up with this really come up with an outstanding burger. This video is simply to show you how to build this. It goes super fast. You have a few things handy and ready to go and knock them out. You can knock a lot of these out in a hurry. Stay tuned. All right, so to do these, it's really easy. And a couple tools that I'm using today. This is a bricklayer's trowel that is modified. It's not as long as a real bricklayer's trowel. Matter of fact, this was modified by the manufacturer. This is actually bought and purchased from a restaurant supply house. And also I'm using what they call a carver's mallet, and you might have seen people use this, you know, not carving but on burgers. That just helps you get that press that you're looking for. That's all that's for. It's the only reason I bought it. So I've got it fired up. I'm going to go ahead and preheat this. If you preheat your spatula, when you actually press down your ball, it's going to kind of release some oils to where it don't stick. But also, while we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and add some bacon grease. Put a little bit on here. No certain amount. You just want to lube up your surface. You don't want to go down with a dry surface. You want it at least oiled up somewhat. So let's just work this around, and I can tell this thing is severely off level, but it shouldn't make a difference. All right, I've got this burner wide open. I've got the middle burner all the way low, and this burner is off. So what I'm looking for is around 450 degrees, and wherever I find that, that's where I'm going to press and smash these burgers at. I've also got my laser thermometer, and this is going to tell me what temperatures I'm at. Right now I'm at 320 here. I'm at 230 here. So once I get that 450, we're going to get busy here. And what I've done is I took some 80-20 ground beef. 80-20 is a good blend for this. There's plenty of fat content to where you're going to have a juicy burger. And all I did was I didn't press this hardly any. I just scooped it up, formed it with my hands gently. You don't want to really compress this. Just like that will work. So let's set these off to the side for a moment. And also, if you get the bottom of your spatula good and greased up with that bacon fat, then that's also going to help the burger not stick when you do the press. So I'm getting everything ready. I've got salt and pepper ready. I've got some cheese ready to put on here. I got my balls made. And I've also got some onions that I cut very, very thin last night. Actually, I had my wife take her mandolin and she shaved these super, super thin. And if you don't have a mandolin, you can easily do this with a very sharp knife. I'll show you that right now. Very easy. The whole trick is to get them very, very thin to where you can almost see through them to where they're almost transparent. That allows them to cook really, really fast. Let's get ready. We're going to take a meatball here. We're going to go ahead and press it out. I don't want to press all the way yet. Takes us a little kosher salt, a little black pepper. Pile on the onions, and I do mean pile them on. Now you want to take and press this all the way flat. So by pressing really hard, you've got really good contact on the actual steel, which is going to give you a very good crust. And when the onions are done, you'll see you'll have some that's kind of fried looking, some not quite as much. You'll have a variety of textures to the onions. And let me tell you, that's what makes it on these onion burgers. Now I believe that onions should be seasoned as well, so on with just a tad more kosher salt, not much, just a little to bring out that flavor. A little bit more black pepper. Gonna go roughly 1.5 to 2 minutes. These cook very, very fast. And I'm just gonna do these one at a time to where I can pay attention to them. They go fast. All right, let's give this a flip. Oh yeah, we got a nice little crust going on there. All right, we're gonna lay down a piece of cheese. We're gonna take the bottom bun. We're gonna place it right here. Let's take a look, see how we're looking. Oh yeah, that cheese is already melted. All that steam is cooking the bottom side of that. This part right here really reminds me of the White Castle. And it makes me wonder, a little food for thought here, is that the White Castle come out in, I think, 1921. This one come out in 1920. And it makes me wonder if that didn't just jog some ideas for some people there. So let's put a cap on it. Let's bring it over here to the table and we'll put some condiments on it as well. We're going to put a little mustard on this. And condiments can actually be changed to whatever you like. But if the history on this is accurate, this is basically all they did. And I think even at that, they laid the condiments off to the side for you to dress yourself. And I love this combination. Mustard, pickles, that adds some acidity to the fatty beef. And just the overall flavor, it just pops. And so there you go. Oklahoma fried onion burger. Let's give it a taste. Now, I'm no stranger to this burger. This is my go-to burgers. I just love it above anything. But hey, look at all them onions. Look at that. If you don't like onions, I feel sorry for you. Here we go. If you look at the meat, it's completely done. You're not gonna have a medium rare beef on this. I'm telling you, I could smash 5 of these right now, right here, right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make a bunch of these for everybody else. Real short video. Haven't done a burger in a while. Like I said, I have done the onion burger on a previous video, but it wasn't a dedicated video. I actually focused on the beer mac and cheese more than I did the burger. So I just wanted to show you my favorite burger. And to me, it's a very iconic burger, and I hope you give it a try. And I tell you what, it's very fitting for today's climate, economy-wise. If they call this the Depression burger, then hey, you know, the way things are going, this could be a really good, tasty alternative that don't break the bank. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.